Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notifications in the Trivago application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the preferences section, look for the push notifications button. And if you want to enable them, just click on the white circle next to it. And then go to the settings button. And then click on the notifications button. And you have to enable the notifications here. And then if you go back to the application, you will see that the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.